This video clip we've got a RENAULT gunner. I'm going to remove the ball joints, so the ball joints are rivets in, so there are no screws on it. So we have to bore them out. So you bore out these two first, put a bolt back in there to hold the joint for you, to bore this one out. So just a wee trick here, just once this one bored out, put a bolt in here. So we're going to bore this one next, and then we're going to bore out the last one. And we'll use a wee bolt and nut to hold the joint in place to get them all bored out. So that's our next step now. Next step, you need a bolt. Out comes the rivet. So while your rivet now is out, so there you go. So next step now, we'll hit the old joint now, we'll bolt the new one in. That's the next step. Now we remove the top ball joint nut here, and we just put on two temporary bolts to hold the joint in place. Next step, you put a ball joint separator in here under a wee lick, so we're going to remove the top joint. That's it. You can see now the joint is separated. So now we can screw off the two bolts now and the whole thing will come down. That's our next step. Now, let's take the joint off here. Here she comes. And new joint, just bolt her straight in. Just hold her a bit there. Hold her there.